I'm really nervous about the presentation tomorrow.
Don't worry, just break a leg.
Break a leg means wishing someone good luck.
Why is John so quiet today?
I think he's under the weather.
Under the weather means feeling sick or not feeling well.
Did you hear about Sarah getting promoted?
Yeah, it really made my day. Make my day means to make someone feel very happy or pleased.
Are you sure you can finish all this work today?
Yes, but it's going to be a piece of cake.
A piece of cake means something that is very easy to do.
Why did Mike suddenly leave the meeting?
He had to hit the road early.
Hit the road means to leave or begin a journey.
I'm thinking about quitting my job.
Don't do it yet. Let's sleep on it.
Sleep on it means to take time to think about a decision before making it.
Why are you still working so late?
I'm trying to catch up before the deadline.
Catch up means to reach the same level or position as others after falling behind.
Are you nervous about your first day at work?
A little, but I'll play it by ear.
Play it by ear means to decide what to do as a situation develops.
Did you enjoy the concert last night?
Yes, it was worth every penny.
Worth every penny means something is very good and worth the money spent.
Are you coming to the party tonight?
Of course, I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Miss it for the world means to not want to miss something because it is very important or enjoyable.
Why are you so calm about the exam?
I studied hard, so I'm on cloud 9.
On cloud 9 means feeling extremely happy.
Did you finish the report already?
Yes, I stayed up late to burn the midnight oil.
Burn the midnight oil means to work late into the night.
Why didn't you argue with him?
I decided to let it slide.
Let it slide means to ignore a mistake or not react to something.
Are you nervous about speaking in public?
Yes, but I'll bite the bullet and do it.
Bite the bullet means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation bravely.
Are you worried about the interview tomorrow? Not really, I'll just go with the flow. Go with the flow means to accept things as they happen and not try to control the situation. Why is everyone so quiet in the office today?
The boss is in hot water again.
In hot water means being in trouble or facing a difficult situation.
Do you think this plan will work?
It's up in the air right now. Up in the air means not decided yet or uncertain. Why did she refuse to help him?
Because he crossed the line last time. Cross the line means to behave in an unacceptable or inappropriate way.
I'm really stressed about my new job.
Relax, you'll get the hang of it soon. Get the hang of it means to learn how to do something and become comfortable with it.
Do you think our boss liked the presentation?
Yes, you really hit the nail on the head.
Hit the nail on the head means to describe or understand something exactly right.
Why didn't you argue back? I chose to take the high road.
Take the high road means to behave in a morally right and mature way, even when others do not.
Before we continue, are we on the same page?
Yes, we all understand the plan.
On the same page means having the same understanding or agreement about something.
Who decides the final design? The CEO calls the shots here.
Call the shots means to be the person who makes the important decisions.